To give that thing some sunlight so it can cool off. Hopefully I put it in the right angle. Put some tape on it just so it didn't move. But yeah. But guess what we're gonna try and do today, guys? Intercooler. Now I just got a jack yesterday from Harbor Freight. Cost like $310, bro. Guess what? It was the wrong profile. Look at those kidney grills though. But yeah, like I was saying, it was the wrong profile. I wanted low profile, but I'm only gonna go an inch when I get my new rims. So another problem for another day. Also, my GTS taillights, my brake light on this side does not come out. I mean, it does not break. There's a connection that is severed. So I'm gonna probably have to buy a wiring kit at Walmart for like $5. So yeah, because every time a cop is behind me, I'm scared because all they can see is that and then that, and I gotta fix this fitment. I got that one was coming out the most, but either way, like I was saying, every time a cop is behind me, I don't know, I get scared. So yeah, after like maybe an hour later, we're down to this. Why does my car look like it got jacked or something? Like, I don't know. Seeing some things. See if there's any dust in here. Seems pretty clear to me. Few feathers. I meant leaves, but that's about it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Car looks like it got broken too or something, bro. Oh, Lord Jesus. And here's this, and here's the weather stripping. And inside of that, I don't know, you know. Bro, I'm like down to like pull up to Burger King like this, because I really want some food. So I might just put my jack in my car. Hold up. Where your slats at? Ugh. My seat is too far back, but yeah, I'm gonna pull up to Burger King like this, y'all, because I'm hungry and I don't know, just want to see how it rides. I want to see if it does like a error code for like the fog lights since they're disconnected. Got outside, don't know what's wrong. I'm gonna do a slight acceleration. Sounds like gunshots though. Sounds like what my car would be like if it was tuned. So I was like, F that, I'm not doing that, because a little piece of one of the clips that are under the weather stripping had flew up to my roof, and I was like, oh hell no. I just took so much stuff out. A lot of screws over there to one of these things right here, since this stuff won't get out of my way. But yeah, you can see. So got a 225, about to unscrew. Unscrew that first. Well, take it off, and then the other side, and then take it off. I just got to figure out how to yank it out. Oh man, I was about to give up, but I finally got this off. Now, about to go back to the other side, take this off, drop this, put the other intercooler in, and then bang. So I watched a video from Keys Motorsports. It pretty much just said hold on to one of the clips with like one of those pick tools. If that's not working for you and you're like trying to like wiggle it out, try pushing it in. For me, like I pushed in like towards the this way, and it worked. Like fighting with it just really didn't do anything for me. So try going in instead of out. I know it makes sense to go out, but try in. Now time to take that out. So mine's aftermarket. With the plastic one, should be easier to maneuver it, but I don't know. So we're just gonna try to get off my glove, please. Anyway, we're just kind of try to finagle this. Oh crap! I don't even know where to start. All I needed to do is break the seal. I don't need anything crazy. I'm just gonna break the seal on it. All right, so since I have a vrsf charge pipe, I just took this off and just disconnected it from that. Undid that, took the screw off. You know what I'm saying. If you have an aftermarket, just if it's a 2-piece and not a 1-piece, take that one off that's closest to that, and then, you know, put it back on, and then it's time to install the intercooler. Finally. Damn. Boy, did I have some dirt in there. Lord Jesus. Gosh, I need to get before and after, but damn, that's a lot of dirt. Guys, this is the next day. I had like stopped recording just to focus up, and then my homies pulled up on me, helped me put it in. I just honestly needed help because that thing was way too heavy. I'm way too weak, but yeah, connected the lines, put everything together. I feel like there's a considerably big gap now. I'm not sure if that's just my doing, but it's whatever. This whole throttle response thing makes a difference. I need motor mounts. My car's shaking. It's not popping right now, but I think it has to warm up. It's starting to pop now. Intake is screaming, y'all. Not sure if y'all can hear that. Y'all can hear that for sure.